This is it? This is all you got. Why does it say big and tall on the sign?
Big and tall. You need bigger and taller. I'll let you need it.
See anything you like? Well, one thing I know about shopping is that if you don't absolutely love it yourself, is this me? What about this one? This is not atrocious. No? Alright, well, you go look over there and I'll go look over here. This many comes out plastic. Lord. What is this made of? Go there. Whatever your reputation to go there. Well, actually, I'm from there, but didn't mind hard work. And look where I am now. Eating an $18 salad. It's a little soggy, to be honest.
Lynn, what is a sudden interest in the projects? Is this another one of your charities?
Wait, project for the projects.
Ooh, that's that.
Y'all might embrace it now. Okay. Count me in, Lynn.
SJ, you have 2 more minutes on that play box thing, all right? Michael, do you want to stay here?
If you want to stay here for a while longer, I'll find some time to figure out a bedroom for you. Just look at this. You practically ruined a $10,000 couch. Do you want to stay here, Michael?
I don't want to go anyplace else.
All right, then.
SJ, you better be off that play box.
Oh, don't get your panties in a wad.